Morning. Welcome back to GiniAcademy. Today let us start under arithmetic progression the first exercise, that is exercise 5.1. Okay. The first main is in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progressions and why? And we four situations and we need to understand them and try to make a number list, and in that we should check whether it is belong to arithmetic progression. If it is belong to arithmetic progression, we should say why it is belong to arithmetic progression. If it is not belong means that also we should mention. Okay. And before that, the one condition for it to be arithmetic progression, common difference. I said no, D is the common difference, that should be same for each term. Already I said these are the term. Like this it will continue, is A1, A2, A3, A4 like that, and the common difference always between the successive two terms, A1 minus A2 minus A1, that is the D1 we can consider, or D2 is A3 minus A2 like this. Okay, so the fixed number which are going to add to the successive terms or the common difference between two successive terms are equal means that number list we can consider it forms an AP, or else it is not AP. Okay. Let us see the first question here. First question is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. It is about a taxi fare or taxi bill. Okay. So what they are telling? So the taxi fare after each kilometer where the fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer, only rupees 15 for first kilometer. Okay. After that, if any additional kilometer if we travel, we need to pay 8 rupees per kilometer. Okay. And this is the situation, and they are asking us to check whether it is belong to arithmetic progression or not. How we should check? Starts with the first number. So first kilometer they ask rupees 15. For the next kilometer, this is fixed. For the first kilometer, if it is next kilometer, that is 8. Is it not? And for the next thing, you have to add these two, right? See, this is the first price, preceding value for this. But which is the preceding for this? We need to add these two. 15 plus 8 is, how much it is? A 20, 23. Okay. So this becomes 23. Here 23 again plus 8. Why plus 8? That additional kilometer. Add this. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1, and that is 31. And if it is, this is the present, and if we want to travel one more kilometer means, and we need to. So it will continue like this only. How long we can travel, like that the fare also continue. But for us to consider whether it is form AP or not, 3 or 4 term is more enough. Okay. Let us write the number 15, 23, 31, 39. Okay. So this is like A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, the general formula also, is it not? So the fixed number keep on adding to the preceding number. If it is same, then it is arithmetic progression. Okay. You can see here only it is fixed, but we can check with the formula. How we find the difference? The successive difference between successive two terms, A2 minus A1. Which is A2? This is A1, okay? 23 minus 15. How much you will get? 3 minus 5 you can't do. Again 13 minus 5 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. And one more you can check. D is equal to successive terms, A3 minus A2. So A3 is 31. A2 is 23. 1 minus 3 you can't do, take a borrow, that is 11, 11 minus 3 is 8 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Look at here, if you check for two successive terms, that is more enough. Here also 8, here also 8 means it forms, it means what? This number list forms an AP, arithmetic progression, because D, the common difference is same. Clear? Why we are considering this is an AP? Because the common difference between these two terms are equal. If you want to continue, you can add the fare and keep on go through, and you can continue, same it will come. Clear? So this is about first sum. Let us move to second one. The second question is the amount of air present in a cylinder. Just imagine a cylinder. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, here some amount of air is present in a cylinder and each time the 1/4 of the air has to be removed by the vacuum pump each time. Is it not? Understand the question properly. In a cylinder air is there. Okay, so each time it removes by the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in it. Whatever the remaining it is there, no, each time 1/4 of it has to be remain. Is it not? This is the situation and we need to find, we need to check whether it is belong to or this number list forms an arithmetic progression or not. Okay. For this it is required to continue let x be the, always the unknown thing we consider it as x. Okay, let x be the amount of air present in cylinder. Is it not? Okay, so in first cases, so our first time what will happen, by the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of it. So already the air is x quantity. Okay, so what they are doing, 1/4 of it, you have to take x into 1 upon 4. Why? 1/4 of it, not only 1/4. Clear? So what else is remaining? Nothing is there means 1 into x, 1 into 4, 4. Okay, take the LCM, 4x minus x. 4x minus x is equal to 3x upon 4. Okay, this is the first time when they removed 1/4 of it. And second time, now the air in that is 3x by 4. In that again they are removing 1/4 of it, 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Okay, so now 3x by 4, multiply 3x into 1, 3x, 4 into 4, 16. Take the LCM for 4 and 16, 4 1s are, 4 4s are, 4 1s are, 1s are. So 4 4s are, 16 is the LCM. Okay, for numerator also I hope you understand already LCM. For numerator also 16 has to be multiplied as well as denominator. Okay, for numerator if it is multiplied 16, look at here, 4 1s are, 4 4s are. So remaining is 3x into 4 and here 16 getting cancelled, the remaining is 3x. This is the concept of LCM. Okay, now what else is remaining? 3x into 4 is 12x minus 3x divided by 16. So this is nothing but 12 minus 3 means 9x upon 16. Is it goes by any number? No, you can keep like that only. First term is x actually and the second term is 3x by 4 and 9x by 16 is the third term. It is more enough. You can write x comma 3x by 4 comma 9x by 16. If you want you can continue. Okay, so this is the number list we form according to the given situation. Let us find out whether it is form an arithmetic progression or not. So this is A1, A2, A3. Is it not? So let us find out the difference. The first difference is A2 minus A1. Is it not? So A2 is 3x by 4 minus x. So this is 3x, 4x divided by x. This is minus x by 4. So the first difference between the second term and minus first term is minus x by 4. Let us find out one more difference. If it is same then it forms an AP. Okay. So next terms are what? A3 minus A2. So A3 is 9x upon 16 and A2 is 3x by 4. Okay. Take the LCM. LCM is 16. So here also 16 and here also 16. Here getting cancelled, 9x is remained. Here 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 3x into 4 is remaining. Clear? So 9x minus 3 fours are 12x whole divided by 16. 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12 means minus 3x upon 16. Look at your common difference. First one is minus x by 4. Second one is minus 3x by 16. Therefore, it not forms an AP because common difference is not same. Okay, you can write common difference is not same, or the fixed number which is going to add to the next succeeding numbers is not fixed or not equal. Is it not? Let us move to third one. Then the third question is the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs rupees 150 for first meter and rises by rupee 50 for each subsequent meter. So first time 150 for first meter. After that for each subsequent meter rupees 50 has to be added. Okay, let us start with the firstly 150. In the second time it is added to the this preceding number 50 rupees. Then in the next time what it is become for this preceding number, that is this is 150, this is 200. This is the preceding number for this. Then 50 is added. Is it not? It will become 250. This is the preceding number for this. Means preceding value 50. So this is 300. So like this it's continue. Okay. For the first meter, okay, 150 again for each and every meter. So it has to be add 50. For this 50, the preceding value is not this. This is for the first time. Second time it become 200 because 50 rupees is added. And again like this only it keep on increasing. Okay. And this is our A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So let us find out the common difference. A2 minus A1, which is A2 200, A1 150, 200 minus 150 50. Second time A3 minus A2, what is our A3? 250 minus 200, so this is 50. If you find out any two common difference, that means we can conclude it forms an AP because common difference is same. Is it not? Are the number added to the each preceding number is equal. Is it not? Let us move to fourth sum. The fourth sum under exercise 5.1. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. It is a compound interest. Okay. So amount is deposited 10%. Interest is 8%. Per annum is nothing but per year. Okay. So let us find out the amount by applying the formula and we'll check it. Formula for compound interest. Compound interest formula is A is equal to P 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 whole power. T means the term, number of years. Okay. Here every year means for each year it is going to add. Okay. This is a formula and let us write what is the principal amount. P is 10,000. Compound interest at rate of interest is R is the rate of interest is 8. Per annum means first year we need to check, that is 1. So here 10,000, substitute here 10,000, 1 plus R is 8 divided by 100 whole power is 1. So 10,000, take the cross multiplication 100 plus 8 whole divided by 100. Nothing is there, 1 means nothing, we can consider 10,000 108 divided by 100, right, this one 100. So 20 getting cancelled, The left out is 108 into 20. So this is the first year amount. Now for the second time, the principal amount is 1000 and rate of interest is 8, but the time is second year, that one. Okay, so we apply to the formula. Let me write the formula once again. Whole power t. So this is 10,000 1 plus 8 divided by 100, and this t is 2 now because second year. 10,100 plus 8 divided by 100, whole power is 2. 10,100 plus 8 is 108 into 100, and square is there means you can write 2 times. Is it not? Now 10,000 into 108 into 108 we need to do, and whole divided by how many zeros? 4 zeros. 4 zeros is nothing but this is also 4 0, this is also 4 0 getting cancelled. The remains is 108 into 108. So let me multiply this. 108 into 108. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 zeros are 0, 6. 8 ones are 8. 0, then 1, 8 0 1. 4 6. 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 1. So the answer is 11664. So these are the two terms we got by applying the formula. Is it not? So let us check. This is the first term, A1 and A2 term, and we'll find the difference between A2 minus A1. Sorry, the first one is this one, right? This is the A1, A2, A3. So these three terms are more enough to check whether the common difference is same or not. Is A1, A2, A3 continuation. So common difference is A2 minus A1. 10800 minus 10,000. So 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 0 8. 0 minus 0 0 0. So for the first common difference is 800. Second time A3 minus A2. So which is A3? 11,664 minus 10,800. 4 minus 0 4. 6 minus 0 6. 6 minus 8 you can't do. So 16 minus 8 is 8, and this is 0. Look at the D, here 800, here 864. Is it same? No. Therefore, it not form an AP because D is not same. Clear? Understood? These four, like a word problem in Word, they explain the situation and we need to understand. After that, we have to make a number list by using the given situation. Then we need to check the difference between them. If it is equal, then it forms an AP. If it is not equal, then it is not an AP.